Hello everyone, Rockhound here, and I got some cool quartz pieces for you guys today. So over the summer I went to Herkimer Diamonds to go collect some Herkimer Diamonds. They're not real diamonds, they are quartz, but they sure do look pretty, especially when they're terminated. So I'll show you guys a couple of the not as good pieces first. So I actually made a mistake of thinking that, you know what would be a good idea? To tumble some of them. It's like, after the first week I realized that was a bad idea, but maybe I should just finish the piece now. That's kind of cool. Some rainbow effect right there, some light diffraction. Interesting. Well, this was the biggest piece I found. You can really see how clear the quartz is and just absent of other minerals. This is a half of a crystal, a broken half that I found there. Still very, very interesting. Another piece that I also mistakenly tumbled. Sometimes though they do have this black material in it. I'm not really sure what it is, but probably just the other rock that's around it. Here's a pretty cool one. So it's a full crystal and it's got some sort of black staining in it. That was pretty psyched to pick that up. Another little piece here. It's just amazing how clear it is. Here's one that got broken up, I found, and it's got some of that black in there. Here is a double terminated, but it's missing one of the sides and it's got some impurities in it. But I do have a couple. They're really small, but they're like perfect. They have no impurities and they're double terminated. So this one's probably the best, and that is double terminated. It's pretty cool. Get some light diffraction. Here's another one. It's got no impurities in it and it's got pretty good termination going on. Oops. This one's pretty cool. It's got the big one and it's got coming off some of the sides of it over there. When you're there, you can find them, and they have a little station where you can turn them into jewelry. So here's the one that we picked for jewelry. Probably should have picked a different one. I actually think this somehow got broken a little bit when we were coming back to Florida. Here's a little, see a little termination going on there. can find those there as well. This piece is still to the host rock and it's broken off. This is pretty cool. So it's a pocket of quartz crystals, obviously. But I just thought that was so awesome to find. Here it is with the flash off. You can kind of see the crystals a little bit better. Got them just going crazy. So just this big pocket full of quartz crystals, and I think it's pretty amazing. So I do got some more in here that I just didn't want to take out because they're so small. Like that's tiny. There's another good double terminated one. Couple over here. Just found these right off the ground. And here's a bunch of the lesser quality ones that I found that are all broken up. See, I tried to tumble a couple of these. Foolish of me. So I have a decent amount of the Herkimer Diamonds still in the host rock, like right here. There's a big chunk of quartz right there. And there's a pocket, and there's some Jersey on the other side. Got another pocket right here. Quartz right there. More shattered quartz there. Little quartz pocket right there. Some more on the side. Has a bunch of Jersey-like and termination pockets. That pocket's like really black right here. Black crystals. And the last piece, just another little pocket.